Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. It is paper pumpkin time again, and we've got the March 2024 Memorable Meadows kit here. I also have the 6x6 Meandering Meadows paper that coordinates with the kit, and the Love of Spring dies that also coordinate. So let's open up this kit and see what we've got. So we take out the tissue paper. And we've got our instructions. We've got these 3 beautiful cards and with the envelopes as well. Full instructions, nice color. And then the last page tells us that the coordinating colors, there's so many of them this time. Balmy Blue, Basic Black, Berry Burst, Daffodil Delight, Early Espresso, Fresh Freesia, Garden Green, Gorgeous Grape, Granny Apple Green, Mossy Meadow, Night of Navy, Old Olive, Petal Pink, Pretty Peacock, and Very Vanilla. We have got so much creative potential in this kit. There's some alternates on the back as well. So let's get right to it, see what's in the kit. So what we've got is our standard stamp set. Have a beautiful birthday. It's the little things that matter. You've been on my mind. Heartfelt thanks. And then this beautiful flower. And then the bonus this month is the extra stamp set. And what we've got, it's, as you can see, it's slightly larger than what's been depicted on here. But we've got 2-step stamping on the Daisies for You. This is what this set is called, Daisies for You. Let's turn it up this way so it's right side up. So we've got leaves that we can do in 2 tones. We've got flowers. We can do the outline, we can do the fill-in, and then we can do some definition and the centers for the flowers, as well as some leaf centers here and some scatter dots. So I am so excited about this set. I really, really am. We've got a garden green stamp spot. We've got these envelopes, and oh, the decoration goes right down inside. It's just beautiful. I'm so excited about this kit. We've got some opalescent sequins. We've got our adhesive dots, and we've got our dimensionals. And here's the first card. Side opening landscape card. That's just gorgeous on its own. You could frame that and call it a picture. It's, oh, so excited about this kit. Then we've got the next set of cards, and it's full front and back. So you know what's going to happen is we're going to cut this down and we're going to make 2 cards out of that. Then we've got the die cuts that go with it, some pennants with the gold embellishment on, and then some half circles with gold embellishment. Again, another front and back card that is definitely going to end up being split into 2 different cards. Look at the clouds in here. It's obviously they've taken a painting and used that. And then we've got the die cuts with the gold trim for this. And this is amazing. This is really amazing. If I can get it out of the kit. There we go. This is wood. These are wood pieces that you can punch out and use on the cards. How amazing is that? So, so good. And then we've got these purple they're a little thicker than vellum, but vellum pieces. I imagine that they are, what's the purple in the kit? Gorgeous Grape, probably, because there's no Highland Heather in here. So Gorgeous Grape pieces. So that is our kit for March of 2024, the Memorable Meadows kit. So I'm going to make those projects and some alternates, so stay tuned for more.